my name's Jonathan. I'm the A&MP trained to deliver Lisa.
I'm Jenny. I'm a junior doctor who's not given Lisa before.
I'm Cherry, the senior staff nurse.
This is a preterm baby born at 28 weeks by spontaneous vaginal delivery. His mother has received a complete course of steroids and magnesium sulfate. The estimated weight is 1 kilo. He's born in good condition, stabilized on Neopuff with a PEEP of 6, and at 10 minutes of age the FiO2 is 40% with some moderate recession. Baby is in a plastic bag with a temperature skin probe on the back, and the predicted saturation is 94%.
So, guys, we've gotten to 10, just after 10 minutes. We're given nice effective CPAP at about 6 centimetres. We do have some walker breathing. The SATs are just about okay in 40% oxygen. So I think this baby is a good candidate for Lisa, if he's in agreement.
Yeah.
So we'll go with a plan A of delivering Lisa and continue a non-invasive support. And I've just gotten a 2.5 tube ready there, just in the event that he doesn't tolerate it and we have to proceed to an intubation. I'd say he's probably about 1 kilo, so we go for 200 milligrams of surfactant. But what we'll do first is, if I can ask you, Cherry, to assist Jenny just to change the interface over to the Neopuff and CPAP, if that's okay. If you secure your side, then I'll secure mine.
Swap with you. Yeah.
Okay. Seems to be tolerating that okay.
You can tie your side.
I will tie my side. Cherry, if you wouldn't mind drawing up the surfactant for me, that would be great.
Still got good SATs.
For this procedure, the surfactant kit delivery is not used, but we use a syringe of 3 to 5 ml connected with a short connector.
Okay, so I have my Lisa catheter there. I've just opened that, so I'm going to place that over your side, Cherry, if that's okay. Cool. Are you happy to switch places with me, if that's alright? So what I'll do is, guys, I'll verbalise what I see as I see it, and then I'll ask you, Cherry, to hand me some suction and then the catheter when I need it. And then we'll connect the surfactant. But when the surfactant's connected, we'll just start the clock, so we run a 2-minute time, and if I get you to give it in small pulsatile volumes, if that's okay. Okay, so that's gonna go and proceed. And actually, Jenny, if you could keep an eye just on the SATs and heart rate for me, and let me know if they drop low. Okay. Okay, so I can see the glosses.
Baby's still stable.
So, and I can see the cords. I can see suction. Perfect. And if I can have the catheter. Thank you. So I'm going to go to 2 centimetres below the cords, which is 1, 2, that's right there. And now I'm 8 centimetres at the lips, if I can give you that. And I'm just going to close the baby's mouth and just check my position again. I'm 8 centimetres still at the lips, so we can start to administer our Lisa.
Timer.
Yeah. Seems to be pretty stable with this as well.
Surfactant is delivered extremely slowly by small aliquots over a 2 minutes period of time. At the end of the 2 minutes,
it's cool, so that's 2 minutes there. So I'm just going to remove the catheter and we'll reassess and just keep this little mouth closed. So actually our stats are 100% now, so we can turn our oxygen down. Heart rate's good. Still breathing spontaneously, so I reckon we get the transport incubator and prepare to transfer, and when baby's in the incubator I'll give mum an update and let her know what's happening. Happy?
Yeah.
Cool.
Okay.